Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to the TechWorks Annual Awards Dinner. Our aim, our purpose, is to bring the deep tech industry together to collaborate, innovate, and ultimately grow the UK technology economy.
It is a genuine pleasure to be the host of TechWorks Awards 2023.
As you know, young engineers and students are at the heart of what we do at the UK Electronic Skills Foundation. And this year's winner is Matt Cousins from Nottingham University.
Hey!
Congratulations.
It's been fantastic. I'm shocked, to be honest, but it's a really great feeling.
Congratulations to the young people, the future of the industry. God, you're going to have to do a lot of breeding looking at this room, the young people. We're going to start with TechWorks Deep Tech Award 2023.
This is an absolutely amazing achievement for the whole team in Clas-SiC Wafer Fab.
Super excited, really happy about it, wasn't expecting it, brilliant. The whole idea of TechWorks being an industry body for semiconductors and electronics is fantastic.
72 more awards to give out, ladies and gentlemen. I'm only kidding.
The event's been really good, lots of great people, some really good conversation. Everyone excited to be in Manchester for the first time, which is nice to see.
I think it is brilliant to be recognised and also for TechWorks to drive the technology in the UK.
It's absolutely fantastic after all this time. It's always a very good event. It just takes away the barriers for people to talk properly.
I'm honoured to receive this award and for the rest of the industry to know what we're doing.
Our final winner of the evening, ladies and gentlemen, is Gerry Thurgood.
I think it's just actually remarkable. It's a testimony of the teams I've got, and I think TechWorks have done an excellent job, and I'm proud to be part of it.
Congratulations to all the award winners. I'd also like to thank all the TechWorks staff and the UK ESF scholars. Please enjoy the rest of the evening and have a good time. Thank you, everybody.